Creative Native Lighting presents Pocket LD, foot candles, beam angle, and lumens. Thanks for joining us on Pocket LD today. We're going to go over how to exactly use Pocket LD with foot candles, beam angle, and lumens. We're going to get right into it with an example. So without further ado, here we go. For this example, we're going to use a Roby fixture. We're going to type Roby into the search tab. You'll notice there are 10 search result lines per page, and to the right on the bottom are your pages. You can click on each one or click the arrows corresponding. Next, you'll notice that we have the lumens for the max beam angle, the lumens for the mid or medium beam angle, and the lumens for the minimum beam angle. We have the fixture's native beam angle, the fixture's minimum beam angle, and the fixture's maximum beam angle. We're going to be looking at the lumens max beam angle, and we're going to look for the Forte FS. The luminous output for that is 52,985 at the maximum beam angle. We're going to find the maximum beam angle on the far right side, and it is 55 degrees. We're going to type that in. Our throw distance for this is going to be 35 feet. Number of fixtures is 1, and our trim height will be 25 feet. We're going to type that right here. And we're going to notice that our photometrics gives us 34.65 beam diameter, 56.19 foot candles, an angle of incidence of 45.58, and the total foot candles is 56.19 because we're using one fixture. Now what we're going to do is look at the lumens for the mid beam angle. It's 48,131. And what that's going to tell us is our native beam angle or mid beam angle is 30 degrees. We're going to input that, keep our throw distance the same. And we're going to go down to the trim height is going to be 25 feet. You'll notice in the photometrics section, the answers have changed, reflecting our new beam angle and output lumens. This is one fixture, so we're going to change it to 2, and notice that the total foot candles is now doubled. The trim height is re-entered for safety purposes, and notice the angle of incidence has not changed because we did not change the throw distance or the trim height. Because we're talking about foot candles, and how that's affected by the beam angle, we're going to use the minimum beam angle, which for this fixture is 5. And the lumens for the minimum beam angle for this fixture is 23,056. I'm going to type that in the output lumens section. The beam angle, minimum beam angle for this fixture is 5. We're going to type it in, and we're going to re-enter our trim height to finalize our calculation. Notice the beam diameter has changed. The foot candles per fixture and total foot candles have changed. But the angle of incidence has remained the same because we did not adjust the throw distance or the trim height. This is how you come up with foot candles with different beam angles for Pocket LD. If this video was helpful, please let us know in the comments, or you can email us at delo71@gmail.com. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.